Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do or more animations in one photo or video. First, open Capcut and click New Project. And then add a photo. And now you can select the layer and click the animation. Choose combo, and for example I'm gonna show you a bounce one animation, or add the bounce one, yeah, like this. Okay, if you're done the animation like this, and if you're done you can export the photo. Okay, now you can add new project and import the latest video. And now you select the layer, click the animation, select in, and pick for maybe swing. No, I think sec 1 is okay. Yeah, and you can adjust the duration of sec 1. I think 1.5 seconds is enough, and then hit OK. And here it is. Now you already have two animations on one video or photo, and this is the result. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, you can just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.